Everybody. It's December the 10th, 2015, about 4 p.m. And this is DelRayVAweather.com. I'm going to do a short video. We've been looking a little bit about the potential for snow before Christmas. There are a number of local meteorologists now that are saying that there is, in fact, a chance between probably the 19th of December through December 25th of getting a few flakes in the Alexandria area. Of course, we've been saying this for a few days already, but the models right now are sort of problematic. They right now the GFS, that's the American model, really has us on the rainy side of the area of precipitation during that period, but there's some indication that the models are having difficulty in making a good prediction out that far. And I want to show you this. This is the GEFS, that's the Global Ensemble Forecasting System. And this gives you a way of visualizing how certain or uncertain a given model prediction is. Okay, this is currently set for today, Thursday the 10th, and if you notice, all of these lines, the greens and the blues and the reds, are very close together. This shows a fairly good confidence in, of course, prediction today. But if we bump this out, you will see that it stays pretty good through Saturday. Sunday, it starts getting worse. You have these blue lines spreading out. The green line is still pretty good. The red lines are starting to spread out. And if we move this up to the 19th, which would be the starting period of the snow potential, you see that these lines are everywhere on the map. It says that there's a very low confidence for whatever the model is producing for that time period, out that far, out to December 19th through actually through the 24th. So yeah, that really has very low confidence on any of these models. But I'll show you a couple of other things I'm looking at. Okay, this is the ensemble probabilities from the Global Ensemble Forecasting System of a total snowfall over 1 inch. And these color codings on the map show the probability potential for the various areas getting 1 or more inches of snow. This is set between today and the 24th of December. And if you notice, we're right in this area, and we're in this sort of turquoise color. That's about a 20% probability of getting more than 1 inch of snow. So it's saying that there is a potential for snow between now and Christmas Eve. Okay, this is the latest run of the European model, and this is an ensemble of about 51 members, quite an extensive ensemble. And if you look at these indicators here, this happens to be the probability or the likelihood of various levels of snow in the DC area. And we have actually 8 out of those 51 that are showing snowfall. And some of these are showing really significant snowfall out to December the 20th. This purple area comes in at about 6 inches. Seriously doubt if that will happen. But this also is showing that there is an indication that there's a snow potential in that 19 plus period. And this is actually the first time that any indication of snow has really popped up on this diagram. Okay, this is the long-range European model. I've shown this to you before, I think. And right now I have it set for Monday the 21st. Again, showing that that we're in this darker gray area, which is somewhere between a half an inch and an inch of snow. Okay, one last thing, and I'm going to show you this. This is what I showed you before. Let me bring in the sector here. We want to get the northeast. And we're going to look at, first we'll look at this product. Okay, and we're going to bump this up to about the 19th. If you remember, if you watched the last video, you'll know that this is the 5400 thickness layer right here. Anything sort of north of that line has polar air. It means it's cold enough to actually snow. And if you look here, we're right in this area. The DC area is right about there. However, even though we are cold enough, it's showing no precipitation really. There is a tiny little bit of precipitation over to the northwest that could be pushed over us during that period. But definitely starting Friday the 18th, we're going to start seeing a drop in temperature, and it's going to be pretty cold through at least the 20th. So again, this is showing that this is showing that we're on the rainy side of that line, and we're definitely going to have to keep an eye on this because there are some indications that we'll have snow and some indications that we won't have snow. Okay, I'm going to wrap it up there. If you have any questions, just give me a tweet. My handle is @PatPend, PatPend, and I'll try and answer them. Thanks a lot.